This is an overview of your first major writing project for our class. I wanted to spend just a couple minutes giving you the broad overview, and then of course you'll have an opportunity to read through the instructions more closely. So I'm going to go ahead and just pull up the screen. This is exactly what you'll see when you click on that first project. And basically you get options for this first project, and you'll have some option with all of our projects, all right? For this particular project, your options are going to be choosing between writing a scholarship essay to apply for a scholarship, a personal statement to apply for entrance into a university, or a cover letter to apply for a job. The reason that I have three different options is because I really want you to be able to pick a type of writing that is going to best benefit you. For some of you who may be in tech programs and on a 2-year track to get your degree and then move out into the working world, a cover letter may make a lot more sense for you because you'll need to have that piece in order to apply for your job. For some of you that maybe just started college and are trying to figure out finances and how to pay for all this, a scholarship essay might be a great opportunity to work on that. And a personal statement for any of you that are transferring to a 4-year university, you may want to consider writing one. It is required at many universities, optional at others, and sometimes can be the difference between gaining entrance and being denied. All three of these, and the reason I block them all together, is in essence, they're selling yourself. Okay, it's a type of writing where you are going to be writing about yourself in a positive manner, trying to persuade or get someone else to do something for you, right? Either give you money, gain entrance into university, or get an interview to get hired for a job. So all of those have very similar elements, and is why I can block them all together and give everyone the options, okay? I wanted to just walk you through this page. You're going to see this video. It's going to pop up here in this yellow once I'm done recording it. You'll have the three different options here. Please click and read on all of them, and also please note that the requirements for each one are a little different, so pay close attention to that aspect. Also, for those of you that may be English 98 students, pay close attention and make sure that you're looking at the correct set of requirements. If you're working towards English 101 credit, you'll want to use the English 101 requirements. For all of those that are registered as English 101 students, you must use the English 101 requirements, so you can basically ignore those 98 ones. You're going to see just some other tips, key information, advice along here. I'm not going to read through all of it for you. And then down here, you get a couple other important key bits of information. You get the full layout as far as the due dates, different parts of this process that we'll be going through for the project, so you can see the sequence of it. You're also going to see the actual grading rubrics, okay? So many of you are going to be using the English 101 rubric. When you click on that and open it up, you will literally see the criteria for which you're graded for this project, okay? You'll want to read through that. I always encourage students, aim for this excellent category. Don't aim for just above the bold line, A for excellence, all right? Aim for that higher level. It's always a good strategy on writing, even if you're maybe not working towards an A grade, okay? Other things that you'll see that are really useful in here besides the rubrics, always useful to know how you're graded, but I also included a sample version for each one of these, and these are actual pieces that were written by students, by previous students, who have given me permission to show you their work. So this is a great opportunity to kind of see what these look like, how they sound a little different, and really gain some idea of what the structure of this looks like, okay? I always try and include printable copies of the instructions, so if you want to print out the full piece, you're welcome to do that. And then down here, you have a quick quiz. This is a check for understanding quiz. As you read last week, biggest mistake you can make in an online class is just not paying close enough attention to directions, all right? It's so easy to skim and not read closely online. So this is just a check to make sure that you are reading closely and understanding what's being asked of you, okay? So if you have any questions as we get started, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm more than happy to help you out. And I'm looking forward to where this goes. These are usually really interesting projects for me to read. I love getting to know all of you a little bit better, which this allows me to do. And of course, like I said, hopefully this will be a really useful project for you all. So good luck, and I hope to hear from you all soon.